guys, Martha here. Welcome to my channel. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope you're having a great day so far. Today is July the 10th, Saturday, July the 10th, and I just wanted to come on here for a bit since it's been about a week, I think, since I haven't been on here. I've missed you guys, and I want to welcome you to my channel. For those of you who have been my subscribers so far, then I want to thank you for continuing to watch my videos. And I know I have a new subscriber. Her name is Tammy. Welcome, Tammy. Hi. I'm super happy that you joined my channel. I hope you enjoy my videos. And so today I just wanted to come on here and give you a couple of updates on our little dog, Yuki. She is doing much better. She is starting to walk a little bit. Her left side is the one that was affected by the stroke, and so she's having a little bit of a hard time getting back to have complete use of her left legs. And but when she first had the stroke, she wouldn't even want to eat. Now her appetite is like better than ever, and she's barking, which she after the stroke there was days and days that she didn't even bark. And so she is continuing to do better, and I wanted to give you an update on that since some of you were showing concern about her. And we've been having a lot of rain here in Florida for the last few weeks. It's been like, oh my God, we've been having a lot of rain. We've had a couple of tornado warnings, which scare me a lot. Thank God I don't think any of them have hit. So I went to the Dollar Tree, and I think I'm gonna start making a video on anytime I go to the Dollar Tree, which is our dollar store where everything is $1. I don't know if you live in a different country and you don't have a Dollar Tree. Well, everything in the Dollar Tree is $1, and there's a lot of good things that you can find there, and you save a lot of money. But I think I'm gonna start making videos of whenever I go to the Dollar Tree and I find something that is something I've never seen before, where I think maybe you'll be interested. Because you know, in the Dollar Tree, you can find something there that you really like, and then by the end of the day, they're all gone. So I found 3 things that I wanted to share with you that I thought were unique, that to me at least. I had never seen them there before. And I'm gonna sample one of them for you today, which I haven't used it yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and use it on this video. And so the first thing I wanted to show you that I'd never seen there before is this wreath. It's called the Bicycle Wheel Wreath Ring. And I thought this was so adorable, and I'm planning to use this to make a fall wreath. And I'm gonna do a video on it when I make it so you guys can see how it turns out. I think it's so cool. I've never seen a bike wheel wreath ring before. So if this is something that might interest you, I know they had them at my Dollar Tree now, and maybe you'll want to get one for yourself. And I was very happy to find this, so I wanted to share that with you. Another thing that I found there that I had never seen before, which I am planning to go back and get more of these hopefully today, are these prayer cards. And there was these 2 different models, and they are so bright and cheerful. And look how elegant the lettering is in gold, and it brings 20 prayer cards, and each prayer card has a Bible verse on them. And I'm just gonna open one and show you. And I had never seen this before. I know that I have bought prayer cards before at Marshall's or TJ Maxx, and they are not this size. This is like a substantial, maybe 4x6 size. And I know that I've paid like close to $4 for a little box of the small ones, and these were only $1 at the Dollar Tree. Look, each card says today's prayer, and I thought that would be so nice, like to put in your prayer table where maybe you read the Bible. And so I'll just show you one of them. And this one is from Psalm 32:8, and it says, I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go. I will counsel you and watch over you, says the Lord. So I really like this because I like having these little prayer cards to add like in a gift bag for a little extra, you know, thing, in what a little extra gift in a birthday gift bag where I am maybe, you know, giving that person a pair of pants or a shirt or something, I like to add this as a little extra something. Or if you just want to give somebody a little thank you gift, this is a really good thing to have. So I like to have these in my gift closet. I have a gift closet where I store away things that I find sometimes that I really like, and I want to have some of these. And I'm sorry that I only bought 2, but I am planning to go back, and I hope to find more of these. So if this is something that would interest you, run to your Dollar Tree, because you know how fast things go there. Okay, and that was the second item that I found that I wanted to share with you. And last but not least is this. I had never seen this before at my Dollar Tree or really anywhere else. So this is a silicone brush cleaner for my makeup brushes, and you see how it has the little crevices in the diamond, and it has suction cups in the back in case you want to put it in your bathtub in the tile. You can do that. I'm not going to do that. But I thought I had never seen this before, and I wanted to share with you, especially the ladies, for your makeup brushes, if you want to go check your Dollar Tree to see if this is something that would interest you. And so I'm going to go ahead and test it with you now on this video. So I'm going to bring you down. I have a little bowl. Hold on. I'll be right back. So I have this little bowl here with warm water. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and take this out of its packaging. And here it is. I really love this. I am going to clean my brushes with some Stress Relief Aromatherapy Eucalyptus and Tea. As you guys, I've told you before, I love eucalyptus. And I'm just gonna pour some of this eucalyptus soap inside this diamond silicone brush cleaner. And I'm gonna get one of my brushes right now. They're all here in this bottle. And I'm gonna go ahead and wet it. And I'm going to, look at that, you guys. So it's literally taking all the makeup out of the brush. Because I usually just use my hands, and I really like this. Look, it cleaned it completely. So look how well it cleaned my brush. You could not even see the orange tip before I cleaned it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do another one. Let's do this blue one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet it. And then I'm going to, and look how it takes off the makeup from the brush. And let's rinse that one. And look how well it cleaned it without any struggle. When I do it with my fingers, I gotta really like do it for a long time. And look, now you can see the blue tip of this particular brush, which you couldn't see before. And let's do one more. So let's do this bigger brush. And I'm gonna wet it. And look at all the makeup that's coming out of this brush. I am so glad that I found this, because it's making my job of cleaning my brushes so much easier. Look at that. It's super clean. And I'm gonna do one more. I know I said that would be the last one, but I wanna try my blush brush. And I know this one's gonna hold a lot more water in it, but let's see. Look at all the blush that's coming out of this brush. So the little crevices on this diamond silicone brush cleaner just stays, the soap just stays in the little crevices. And let's rinse it. Look at the water, you guys. Look at that. It one more time. Oh, I'm so happy I found this brush cleaner. Okay, and then I'll just take this to my sink and rinse it. Oops, it got suctioned to my container. Look at that. Oh, I love this diamond brush cleaner. I really give this silicone brush cleaner a thumbs up. I say you try it. I went ahead and finished cleaning all my brushes. Now, I really think this is a great item to have, and I was impressed to find that at the Dollar. From now on, whenever I find something really unique at the Dollar Tree, I would let you guys know and make a video on it so that you can get it if it interests you. I really do recommend this silicone brush cleaner, and it really does suction really well. I do believe that it saved a lot on soap. I only had to pour the soap in one time, as opposed to when I do it with my hand, I have to keep putting soap, and I wasted a lot less soap. So I was really happy to find that, and I just want to say thank you for watching. I hope to see you again really soon. I'm going to be making some DIY videos, maybe another one today. I know that most of you must have heard about the tragedy that has happened in our state with that building collapse. I did know a couple of the people that were there. One of the ladies that I knew happened to be just spending the night there with some friends, and it has been tragic, and it has been weighing heavy on all of our hearts and our minds and our soul. And I just wanted to ask for prayers for the families. I know a lot of people have been praying for this tragedy, which I believe was totally avoidable. But anyway, I wanted to just talk about that. I hope that the families can find some comfort, and in the peace of Christ be with them during this very difficult time. So anyway, I will see you very soon in my next video. I plan to do some kind of a craft or DIY, and I hope that you will stay tuned for that. I hope that you guys have a great weekend, that you are very blessed. I love you all. See you soon. Bye now.